Hey, today I'm gonna try some cool nails from Rave Nailz. They sent me a couple of nail looks. I usually do my own gel nails, but right now we're in the middle of moving, so I haven't had any time to do my nails. These are perfect for this situation. We can try these together today, so keep on watching if you're into that. So they let me choose two sets. One is the Acid Smiley nails, and it's super cute. It's yellow with smiley faces melting all over. And the second one is butterfly nails, and this one is like a clear nail style with super cute butterflies on top, and they're both really cool. So this will be the first time me trying press-on nails. Wish me good luck, and let's jump into this video. Also, don't forget to use my code if you're interested in getting your own nails from Rave Nailz with a little discount. And yeah, so this is what I got in this little care package. And so you get one of these cards telling you exactly how to use the nails and care for them, because yes, these are reusable, by the way. And you also get this cute sticker, get your nails done, and as you can see, it's got the same design as this. So this one is called the Acid Smiley nails, and they're so cute. And the other style is this one, the butterfly nails, which is also super cute, and it's perfect for spring. So as you can see, my nails are horrible right now, but I'm gonna go do some magic and remove all of this and come back to put these on. So as you can see, they say to remove any and all polish, because press-on stick better to clean nails, but I don't have a lot of time today, so I'm gonna do what you shouldn't do, I guess, and I'm still gonna try to place them on top of my previous gel nails. Not all of my nails have gel nails. I mean, these ones are natural nails now, so I'm gonna continue filing those until they're as smooth as possible, and then I'm gonna apply these. So let's continue. So it comes with a little file and glue. So you just have to choose the right size and then glue it.
Cuando dices que me quieres, no sé, que estás con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, ya sé que me engañas. Estás loco llamándome. Rompió el cel para no contestarte. Mientras hay otra en tu cama, nunca pude imaginarme que era así estar con vos. Merecí la lección. Ahora ya no quiero, pues que todo cuero y nada de te amo forever. Con tu inglés malo, dejarte ti pa' mí sería un regalo. Ya, no tendré nadie como tú. Baby, esa es la actitud. Yo sé que me quieres, no sé, que estás con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, yo sé que me engañas. Yo sé que me quieres, no sé, que estás con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, yo sé que me engañas. Solo mía, peleando hasta que me lo creía. Es que tú bla bla contamina. Dice que estás en otro lado y estás en Carolina con ella, ahí viendo Netflix. Las heridas ya no tienen fix, pero ve con ella, que te haga feliz. Y después no vengas a decir que te amo forever. Con tu inglés malo, dejarte a ti pa' mí sería un regalo. Ya, no tendré nadie como tú. Baby, esa es la actitud. Cuando dices que me quieres,